In this video, we'll see how to create a Kubernetes cluster on Cuemby Cloud and how this platform simplifies the deployment and management of production-ready Kubernetes environments. A Kubernetes cluster is a set of nodes that work together to orchestrate containers, allowing you to deploy, scale, and manage applications automatically and efficiently. Cuemby Cloud offers Kubernetes as a service, making it easy to create secure, scalable, and highly available clusters without having to manage the complexity of the underlying infrastructure. To begin, we'll access the Cuemby Cloud portal and select the Kubernetes or Clusters option. From here, we'll start the process of creating a new cluster, where we'll define the main environment parameters. During cluster creation, Cuemby Cloud allows us to configure the cluster name and an associated project, the Kubernetes version, to ensure compatibility and support, and the regional zone depending on latency or compliance requirements. This configuration allows you to adapt the cluster to different scenarios, from development environments to production workloads. We configure the number of control nodes we want to assign, an SSH key, confirm the data, and click Create Cluster. In just a few minutes, the cluster will be available and ready to use. Cuemby Cloud facilitates cluster scalability, allowing you to add or remove nodes as needed, flexibly adjust resources, and maintain centralized control over the Kubernetes environment. Once the cluster is created, you can obtain access credentials such as the kubeconfig file, connect using standard tools like kubectl or the Lens graphical tool, and view the status of nodes and workloads from the portal. This allows you to quickly begin deploying applications and services. In short, creating a Kubernetes cluster in Cuemby Cloud is a simple, fast, and flexible process that allows teams to focus on application development and operation without worrying about infrastructure complexity. Thank you for joining us, and we invite you to continue exploring all the capabilities that Cuemby Cloud has to offer.